Hi, let's look at this question together. Minah has a triangular piece of paper ABC with BA equal to BC. Angle ABC is 84 degrees and angle CDE is 67 degrees. ABC and BEC are straight lines. She folded it along the line DE as shown figure below and asks you to find what is angle X and angle Y. Okay, now let's look at what we know from this diagram. Okay, so you have a triangle ABC. Okay, you know that BA is equal to BC, so BA is equal to BC. You also know that this is 84 degrees and this is 67 degrees. And what happened is that she folded it along the line DE. So you're supposed to find angle X and angle Y. Okay, so now let's look at what do we know from this question itself. Okay, so it's important to know based on the information given, what can we find out straight away. So John has a piece of triangle paper. We know it's a triangle paper. We know that BA is equal to BC. BA is equal to BC, which means that this is a isosceles triangle. When I say know that it's an isosceles triangle, what does it mean? It means that these two angles in green color are the same. So since you already know that this is 84, you take 180 degrees because it's the sum of a triangle, in the angle in the triangle. You take 180 degrees minus 84. You divide by 2, you can find out the value of each of these green color angle. Okay? The next piece of information, you know this is 84, this is 67. Okay, this is 67 here. Okay? Okay, the important thing, it also tells you that ADC is a straight line. ADC is a straight line. So what does that mean? When you know that it is a straight line, means that this angle is 180 degrees. Because angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Okay, and same thing for BEC is also 180 degrees. Okay, next he folded along the line DE. Folded along the line DE. Okay, so this is where most students cannot visualize it. Okay, if you watch towards the end of the video, I will recommend you a video that you can watch so that it's easy for your kids to visualize. Okay, and you can also do the same experiment at home to help your kids. Okay, so when you fold, okay, basically you're folding this same triangle onto here. So which means that if this angle here is green in color, this angle also green in color because it never changed. It's the same angle that is just being folded. Okay, so there's the first piece of information you know. The second piece of information you know that if this is 67 degrees, when you fold, okay, this 67 simply just duplicate here. So which means that this angle is also 67 degrees. So it's 67 here and 67 here. Okay, so as I said, if you cannot visualize, there's a video in the end there which you can also watch. Okay, so now we know that this is 67, this is 67. We also know that these two angles are the same. So based on this information given, you already know quite a lot of things about this figure itself. So now let's look at the solution. So as mentioned just now, okay, we are able to find the green color angle. So we take 180 degrees minus 84, divide by 2 is 48 degrees on this side. So this is 48, this is 48. So if this 2 is 48, we also know that this angle here is also 48 because remember, when he fold, this angle is the same as the green color here. So this is 48. Okay. We also know that this is 67, this is 67 from the information given, okay, on board. Okay, now if you look at this triangle, basically you already know these two triangles and you already know angle, you can find angle X. So 180 degrees minus 48 minus 67, angle X is 65 degrees. Okay, so you take 180 degrees minus 48 minus 67, you get 65 degrees here, angle X. The next thing is that we need to know how to find angle Y. Okay, so from here we know this is 67, this is 67, and just now we already know that ADE is a straight line, which means that this whole place is 180 degrees. Okay, so if I know that this is 180 degrees, I can find angle W. So 180 degrees minus 67 minus 67, I got 46. So I found angle W. And same thing, since I know this is 48, I know angle W is 46, I can find Y because it's using the sum of a triangle. So angle Y is 180 minus 48 minus 46. 48 is here, 46 is here. So angle Y is 86 degrees. Okay. I've created a video previously. I will upload it as well. Okay, so you go to my channel and look for this video called about angle of folded paper. Okay, it's not the same question, but the concept is the same. I explain visually using a piece of triangle paper that I folded, and let your child understand why certain angle after you fold remains the same. Okay, I hope that's helped. If you like this video, I appreciate you can subscribe my channel so that at least I know that it's being useful. Thank you very much.